Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration of the engineering attribute search, which we have applied to the product attribute search extension for Dynamics 365 FO. Before we begin, let's just go over the few additional parameters that has been assigned. In this product attribute search extension parameters, we have the engineering attributes. Would you like them to be searchable or not? Do we want to have inactive versions enabled? And do we have to search on an effective date? So just these three assigned. Before we start the attributes, let's just go in on the standard setup and see that in this DEMF Consortium company standard Microsoft, we have the engineering product hierarchy assigned as speakers. So the difference here is that we have only one hierarchy that we can assign that can hold engineering attributes. And this one is speakers, and speakers is pretty simple. Contains these subnodes, and we'll focus on these headphones for our demo. If we go into the release products, we have the few examples. We can show the headphone type 1, this item number here, that has a engineering attribute. Let's go and take a look at the engineering versions. So it has two configurations, the configuration 1 and configuration 2. They are both active. And if we open up that, we can see that the configuration 1 has a thickness of 5 and material plastic. Configuration 2 has a thickness of 7 and it's metal. So this is just standard engineering attribute functionality. If we go into the regular product attributes, just to show you that we have that as well. So we have product attributes here. So I haven't said a whole lot of them, but we have, for example, Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth enabled. So obviously both versions are Bluetooth enabled. And if we look at this headphone type 2, look at the attributes for that. That one is not Bluetooth enabled. But going into the engineering versions, there's just one configuration. And if I open that, it's also a thickness of 5 and plastic. So from this search here, we can see that immediately from the hierarchy, this is enabled the speakers because that's the one that's assigned to this role. So if I look at headphones, I only get these two types. And if I look at my thickness and say number 7, I only get this type. And if I look at number 5, I get both types. And that's because this type has one of the configurations. So even though the two configurations are different, at least one of them is included. It is a possibility to also use the standard attributes on top of this. So it's built in. If I want to add from another hierarchy, let's take the Contoso headphones. Say I want to add Bluetooth. I can say Bluetooth enabled, yes. So now I only get this type, and no, then I can only get this type. And unknown, it means that I can get both types. So the flexibility here is to allow you to search on both engineering attributes and product attributes at the same time in one view. This is also possible on, it's supported in 65 forms. Let's take a look at the on hand list and say I would like to see on hand. Again, the hierarchy is speakers, headphones, so I can see that I have these two types here, and I only want to have thickness of 7. So now my list is filtered only on that type. Coming back to some of the other forms where it has been implemented, if we look at some sales, take the sales orders, then here's an example of a sales order number 83, where I have sold just a particular variant, 10 of these. So this is the configuration 1, and here I've sold same product but with another configuration 2. And configuration 2 was the one with the 5 millimeters, and configuration 1 is the one that has the 7 millimeters. So if I go to my sales order now and say I would like to search on anything where I've sold headphones with a thickness of 7, it will find me this order 84. And if I say give me the ones where I've sold the 5 millimeters, it will give me the 83. So so it actually knows the attribute engineering value also on this level. Similar goes to our workspace. If we go into our sales, do our sales by attributes. Let's do just show quantity, show our current period. So I can see that I've sold 11 in total on the 8th of June. If I say my thickness is 5, I've only got sold 10. If I look at my thickness of 7, I've sold 1. So also on this level, our attribute comes into play, and of course I can add my different product attributes on top of this list as well. So that's the new search by engineering attributes. Thanks for listening.